Assalamu alaikum. We'll see how to add product stock and quantity to the point of sale, and once we perform sales, it will be deducted from the stock. So first of all, let's check. We're here in our point of sale. We'll check our products here. So as you can see here, for example, I created this Sawa product. It must be storable product, not consumable nor service, because they are not storable. We have to select storable, I reiterate. So also we can add sales price per unit. I'll just leave it for 1 riyal, and also we can have a barcode for it. I'll just leave it as blank. And as you can see, it's we have 0 quantities in our hands. If we click on it, it will show us the quantities, which there are none. So we can just add it manually here from new, which I don't like because it will not reflect on your accounts. For example, if we add here, for example, 100 unit, it will be added, but it will not reflect in our accounts, and it will not deduct the purchase price from the account. So the correct way is to add it from a vendor bill. We'll see how, but let's check this one first. I'll click on apply to apply the quantity. As you can see now, quantity on hand is 100. It's updated, so I'll just go back to our Sawa product. I'll click on that. I'll go back to our product page. As you can see now, it's 100 on hand. I'll add one more 100, so the total will be 200 using the vendor bill, which is the correct way. I'll go to purchase. As you can see here, purchase. So I'll add a purchase order. A purchase order is just a paper that you can create stock receivable and vendor bill out of it. So I'll just I'll select any test vendor. This is pre-created vendor, so I'll also add our product, which is Sawa. I'll select Sawa. Quantity is, let's say, 100 more over the quantities that we have already added manually. So once we're happy with the quantity, then we'll just confirm the order here. I'll just click on that. Now the order is confirmed. I have one receipt. I have to receive the quantity. Once I receive the quantity from the vendor, which is for example, STC company, because this is Sawa, which is a digital product, I'll just first I have to receive product. There are 2 procedures remaining. One is to receive a product. and the other is to create a vendor bill. So that will be reflected in our account. So I'll receive products here. I clicked on the blueprint, blue button, and I'll also validate it, which is in blue, validate. To validate receiver, so I'll click on validate. Now I'll apply all the quantities. As you can see here, process all the quantities. Okay, apply. Now it's applied. I'll go back to my, I have received now the stock. If I go back to the product and check the on-hand quantity, it will be 200. But I'll go to the purchase order again to create a vendor bill, so that will be reflect on our account. It will be deducted from our account. So I'll create a vendor bill here. Now I'm in draft vendor bill, so I have to confirm it by clicking the blue button. But first I'll just select the date. I'll select today's date and then confirm it. As you can see here, the blue button. Okay, it's confirmed. But also I have to register payment, because sometimes you receive a vendor bill, but you don't pay it at the time. So it will be maybe later, or you just pay it in different payments. So I'll just register payment here. Maybe you can have it here different in different amounts, but I'll just click on create payments. Now it's paid in full. As you can see here, it's fully paid on 17th of July, which is 150. This price doesn't include VAT price. If you want to include VAT price, it will be only 100. So this is up to you. You can configure the system so it can include VAT into the price. Okay, I'll go back to my stock here. I'll go to inventory. Okay, I'm in inventory, so I'll go to reports, moves history. Now, as you can see now, we have this quantity added to our stock. Also, if I go back to the stock and check the product itself, it will be 200 in our hand, as you can see here. Now every time I sell, it will be deducted from the quantity on hand. Okay, I'll go back to the point of sale. I'll show you how it will be deducted and open session. I'll just use list order. As you can see here, the quantity for Sawa is 200, 1 real per unit. If I click on info here, it will be shown the cost and profit margin. Okay, I'll close that. For example, if I sell, for example, 50 units, it will be 50 reals. So maybe I can select also the customer, create the customer, but not for now. I'll just process payment. I'll check the bank journal. This is the payment method, or I can check also cash payment method. I'll process and validate. Okay, if I check again here and I'll refresh the page, now I sold 50 out of 200, remaining is 150 credit of SAWA. So this is how to process stock in Stream. Thank you very much. For more information or subscription, please contact us. Thank you.